I'm gonna be honest with you. We went to Chipotle not long ago, 4 of us, it was like 60, 70 bucks. I was like, nah, this ain't gonna happen. We're gonna make these at home next time. Much easier, much cheaper, and more delicious. We're gonna do Chipotle bowls today on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's get started. All right, got a little wind going here. I don't know, but it is a super nice day out. Let's get started. There's some prep we gotta do here. First things first, the marinade. I'm gonna take a cool little thing. It's called Zip Quicker. Guy sent me this. He sells it on Amazon, or at least I do. At one time he did. Good guy, and this is a pretty dang cool little thing. It's kind of like another pair of hands if you ain't got a pair of hands. I only got one, fortunately. So there you go, and it kind of holds it open for you. Just like that. Pretty dang slick, ain't it? We gotta get a marinade going, like I said. Got that there. To this bag, I'm gonna add some avocado oil. All right, got our oil in. Gonna use a little bit of Fiesta dust. Yes, that's right, old Hussey's Fiesta dust. Asked for by name. Often imitated, never duplicated. We're gonna give it a little hefty little sprig in there, okay? This is chicken, we're doing chicken. We're gonna use a little chicken dust from old Hussey. A little chicken dust. All right, it's got all your good stuff in it. Now, I'll tell you what, y'all, this old stuff's getting out of control because I pulled something in my dang back, boys. I'm gonna tell you what takes breath out of me whenever I bend down. So, oh, welcome to 40s, right? I'm gonna take, this is a can of Chipotles. Now, I don't want a lot of heat in here. It's packed in that adobo sauce, and it's just really good, it's smoky, a little heat to it. Now, if you're feeling froggy, you know, chop up some of them dang Chipotles and put it in there. I ain't saying it ain't good, but, you know, it's gonna be a little hot, okay? A little hot. I'm just gonna massage that up. Get everybody just gelled together, like a big party, like a pool party. All right, we got everything. Now, let's get some chicken. Let's get some chicken in there. Now, this marinade, you can let it go 20 minutes or so. It's gonna be a little while for us, because we gotta get a few other things done here. But, you know, let it go overnight. It'll, you know, the flavors will just enhance more, I'd say. Especially if you got a big old crowd coming over. Whew, them dang Andersons will be impressed with this. I'm gonna be honest with you. Chicken, doing chicken thighs, by the way. Gotta get them chicken thighs. Now, I'm just gonna take my hand first, and I'm gonna mix this up right here in that bag. And if you start seeing it looking a little bit dry, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. A little bit of oil. You want to add a little bit of citrus in here. That's good too. The Fiesta dust has a little citrus in it. That's one thing I like about that Fiesta dust is it is pretty much a one-all. Now I do like to add, if I'm doing chicken, I do chicken dust and Fiesta dust. It's not, you don't have to, but it's kind of good too. Here we go. All right. Now, I'll take our baggie and there you go. Just like that. I'll pop it down. There we go. All right, we're gonna let this rest for about 20 minutes or so, maybe a little bit less. I'll put it back here on the back because we got to get some more things prepared. And that, my friends, is corn salsa, a little salsa. And I'm making this really, really easy, okay? Got a bowl, a little bit of cilantro, okay? A little red onion and a lime. And I just got this golden corn with, got peppers in it. I thought that'd be pretty cool. So I'm gonna take and just try to drain some of that juice off of that corn. Leave a little bit because it's got a little bit of a sweetness to it. 1 can of this corn. They got this like Fiesta corn too. I think it's got some peppers and onions and all that kind of good jazz. But I didn't get that. Online grocery order kind of failed me this time. But you know what? That's okay. That's okay. Got a red onion. Ooh, you know what would have been good? A little jalapeno. Oh well. I think I got one somewhere, but yeah. I'm going to omit it. All right, little red onion, a little diced red onion. Nothing fancy here, guys. But you know, you want to make sure stuff, you know, isn't as chunky as the corn. So you want to make sure everything's just kind of uniform. There we go. Yep. Well, that brightened that up real quick, like, didn't it? All right. I think, you know what? I like a red onion. There we go. Put some more. Now, I'm just going to use the rest of this red onion. I'm just going to put that into whenever we cook our chicken later on. Cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, I'm sorry. I'm pray for you, all right? So wad that up. I love cilantro. It really is just nice and bright. It's so good. Yeah. Just walk it around. Walking a knife, what I call it. Just kind of take your hand like this right here, and that way it's out of reach, and you're just rocking. Okay, just like that. Perfect. I do like a bench scraper. It's good because it kind of keeps the wear and tear off of sliding your knife across your cutting board. All right, I think we're pretty much. Oh, we got some. Wait, a lime. A little lime. Yeah, what's a big old lime right there? There you go. Yeah. Ugh. Those old muscles. All right, what we're gonna add to it? A little fiesta dust. Little fiesta dust. You could do salt, you could do pepper. I'm just gonna do chicken dust. It's got all that and a little bit more in it, okay? I'll use a little bit of this avocado oil. If you notice, I use avocado oil pretty much exclusively. The reason why is I don't have to have a lot of oil on hand. It handles high heat really well. It's just a good oil. It's very neutral. Let's check our ratio here. I think, golly, boy. I mean, that's a dang good corn salsa right there. Some might say it's good groceries. Let me give me a little testy here. A little salt, pepper. Oh, daggone, boy, that was good. Oh man, that's a good salsa. We'll put it back here. We're gonna let it set. Just like with anything, the more it sets, the better it is. Next, but not least, this is, for me, this is something that's needed. A little bit of crema. A little bit of crema. Crema is basically some sour cream thinned out. For me, this is what it is. I take some sour cream, stir it up a little bit, put it in a bowl, just like that. And I thin it out. Thin it out with some lime, just like that. Now, you can leave it just like this. It's great, but I like to zhuzh it up a little bit. And I tell you what, I don't know why. I'm not normally a Tabasco fan. I am a Texas Pete through and through. But this Tabasco with Chipotle is just slamming. Now, I could do the Chipotles in the adobo and put it in there. It'd work just fine too. And I also like to put a little bit of this, a little bit of fiesta dust. I found my whiz hickey, y'all. I don't know if you've been around, but I've lost it. I found it. We're reunited. Love it. A lot of people ask where to get this whiz hickey. They don't offer this whiz hickey no more. It was Pampered Chef. Pampered Chef had this whiz hickey, and they no longer have it. I think they got a different version. If you find that it's not as loose as you want, just add a little bit of more lime juice. You could also add a little bit of like heavy whipping cream as well. That'll make it nice and creamy. I think we're good just right here. How about that right there? Put our pinky in it. Dang it, boys. Oh man, that Chipotle hot sauce is so good. All right, we got a lot of things done. I'm gonna do some peppers and onions in mine. We're gonna dice it up, okay? And I'm just gonna go into kind of strips, and then just kind of small bite-sized strips. Bite-sized strips. All righty. There we go. I don't think we're gonna do green. And I'm just gonna do the rest of this onion. I don't usually do red onion fried. I normally for like a salsa or something like that, but it does just fine. You wanna add some tomatoes. Tomatoes are excellent as well. Let's pre-warm our griddle. I need to pre-warm this thing. Get this thing pre-warmed, low heat right now. That's just to get everything kind of going, get loosey-goosey, okay? We'll go down there from root to top and just come down. There we go. And we got some dices. You're at home. Do it however you want to do it. All you got to worry about is Jeff Anderson. That's right, Jeff. Dude, I think we got everything. We got onions. We got peppers. We got some limes. I might have to go get another one. We got all the makings of a dang Chipotle bowl. Let's go to the griddle. Let's make it. All right, let's get started. I want to add a little bit of avocado oil down to our griddle. What I want to do first is I want to add our vegetables. Why I want to use the vegetables first is to start building that bond onto the griddle. So the vegetables will leave oil, a residue onto the griddle, and we're going to cook the chicken in that. I want to take our limes, just like this. We're just going to put those right there onto the griddle. That heat will start warming up the inside, and you'll be able to get more juice out of this, and we'll juice it right over the vegetables and the meat. Seasoning, chicken dust, and fiesta dust. It smells fantastic right here already. All right, after a few minutes, we're just gonna move our vegetables over to the side, let those just kind of set idle. Now we're gonna increase our griddle top. This burner right here, medium. You're going about medium high right here. And over here, I got low. All right, so originally I started out with just low. We're gonna allow this to kind of get warmed up. Add a little bit more avocado oil. Great shameless plug here, y'all, for my griddle temperature magnet. It's a great reference. There's also a free. You can download this, print it off and use it, or if you want a magnet style, you can have it right at your griddle. We also have a meat temperature guide. Tells you when your meat is done. Nice little reference. Like I said, there is a free printout. Just go to my website, add it to your cart, and it'll be added right to your inbox. You can see some wisp of smoke coming up off of the griddle. That is exactly what we're looking for. Let's put our chicken thighs down. Ooh, man, I smell that Chipotle. Smells amazing. Just wanna do this right there. All right, we've got those all fanned out. Make sure they're all making contact to the griddle. We're gonna let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes. With chicken thighs, that meat temperature guide's a great asset as well. All right, it's been about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's, woo-hoo. That's nice right there. That's real nice. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna let this go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Put these limes over here. All of this chicken juice kind of come up. All right, let's see where our chicken is on the other side. Oh yeah. It's looking good. And I'm gonna start coming in here with our thermometers, taking some temps. Still not quite where I want it. We're at 120 degrees right there. So I wanna cut our burners pretty much on low so we can start just cooking this all the way through. What we're looking for here is, I like to pull my chicken thighs about 180 degrees and then let them rest. Chicken thighs can take the heat. I like them a little hotter. While we're here, turn our veggies. They are good to go. All right, let's wait for this chicken. We'll come back whenever this chicken's done. All right, now that our chicken is done, we're gonna slide this all over here to the side. Over here on this one side, I actually got this burner off. What we're gonna do here is, Chipotle bowls have black beans or whatever, pintos. I like the black beans. I'm going to put our black beans right there. I drained them a little bit. I'm gonna season them up with some Fiesta dust and some chicken dust. Now, the reason why I put it here is because my griddle actually pitches right here to this corner. And so all the juices and everything of the beans will just kind of stay right here. And I want that a little bit of juice to help. It starts to concentrate, it reduces, makes them really nice and flavorful. Next trick up my sleeve is the cilantro rice. If you want to make your cilantro rice, go right ahead. I like using these. Makes it really, really simple and not a lot of prep. Now, don't get me wrong, homemade cilantro lime rice is probably better, but you know what? Let's make it a little easy. This might be a weeknight for you. Take it easy on yourself, Clarence. Now to this, I like to put a little bit of water. It helps steam the rice. Just gonna let that go, okay? We'll let that get warm. We'll let that get happy. So we got all of our elements pretty much right here of a Chipotle bowl. All right, let's get the chicken off. The veggies, actually the veggies can stay on. We'll let everything stay warm. Let's head over to the cutting board. All right, let's chop our chicken up here. We're gonna use our cleaver. And this right here just makes short work of chopping anything up. I like to use this with my pork whenever I do that. But remember our limes. Remember that? Watch this. Look at all that juice that just comes right off. This is a pro move, y'all. Pro move. If you want to take a little bit more of your seasoning, go right ahead. It's kind of not much. And just fold all that in. That right there, my friends, is just flavor. You want to add a little bit more adobo sauce to this, be great as well. Make it your own here. All right, I say it's time to build our Chipotle bowl, y'all. Cilantro rice. Put it right down there in the middle. Oh, buddy, look at that. I'll come over, get some of our chicken, get some of our beans. I like to put them kind of over on the side. I'm gonna get some of our veggies. Put that kind of over on the side. Got that lime right there. Put that right there. Wow, it looks so pretty. Got a little bit of this corn salsa. Let's add it right here on the pillars. Now we got our crema, just like that right there. Holy smokes. Woo-hoo-hoo. Would you look at that? Sheesh. A little bit more fresh greenery on there. The old Andersons, they won't talk trash when they see that right there, friends. A little bit more lime. It also, whenever you do that, it helps caramelize those sugars with that lime. Makes it so good. Let's give this a try. I've been waiting. Want to get a little bit of everything. A little chicken, a little chicky, a little corn salsa. vegetables, crema. Come on with it. Cheers. Boy. I'm gonna tell you what my most favorite part is. I like that corn salsa. I said it. Now cilantro rice to be out of a bag slaps. The chicken, tender, it's moist, flavorful, it's a slam dunk. Don't go spend $14, $15 on a dang bowl when you can make it your own for way cheaper. Y'all, appreciate you sticking around. There might be some bloopers at the end of this. I appreciate you. I love you. Peace. I can use Chipotles that I got, in the adobo sauce. Sure, I can do that, no problem. But hey, it's raining now. Hang on. The weather here is crazy. It was warm, now it's turned off cool. Jeez Louise, Maggie, I'm going to get you out, girl. Look at my old girl over there, y'all. She's slowing down on me. Had to put her bed over here. Come here, it's raining. Let me get you out of the water. Come on. Here we go. Lay on your bed. Lay on your bed. Oh, you gonna come give me a little loving, aren't you, girl? Yeah, I'll be darned. Oh boy, she's juicy too. Oh, good, she's juicy. Woo! Oh, Jeff likes scripts. You like scripts, Jeff? Get some more of this salsa. Get some salsa, Jeff. Oh no. Oh, there it is. Dang, boy, that's good.